loves, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I can't explain how happy I am to say those words again after a few months. I know. I've been gone and I'm so sorry. I've been gone for a few months. I've been swamped at work and I was so busy because it was wedding season. So I wasn't able to upload any contents here at all since June. So I'm so sorry. But now I'm back and I'm finally be back. And I'm so happy to see you guys again and do more contents for you guys to enjoy. And as you guys can see with my makeup, this is part of the Halloween season. It is a makeup look that I wanted to share with you guys. So basically this vlog is about our Halloween celebration for 2021 with my family. We went for the Little Red Riding Hood themed family costume. So I'm super excited to show you guys how it went and how was our experience and our venture with our family for Halloween this year went. So in this video, I'll be sharing our day during the Halloween and also how I created this Red Riding Hood, little Red Riding Hood makeup look with the scratch or slash on my face. It's actually my first time to do this kind of SFX, so don't judge me so much. I tried and I think it still went well. What do you guys think? I also transformed my husband to a werewolf, so we kind of do a matching look. I did some research and looking at really good family themed Halloween costume, and this is one of the ones that really stood out. So I'll be the Little Red Riding Hood, but I want to make sure there's a pop to it and I can really create a Halloween makeup look twist to it that I haven't tried before. And then my husband will be the lumberjack werewolf, so I can also create a werewolf because I haven't tried that before. With my two daughters, one of them is a baby wolf and one of them is a cute grandma. So if you guys wanted to join us with our little adventure and see the tutorial how I did this makeup look and my husband werewolf look, then keep on watching.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Feel the waves cut through me.
Okay, now this is the main highlight of this look, is putting the scar or the werewolf's slash on my face. I think I'm gonna do maybe 4. Yeah, so I wanted to go a little bit higher. The thing is, I think when I do selfie, I always go this way. Yeah, I always go this way. So I think I'm gonna put it over here. Yeah, and then just because we're gonna wear mask, so I try to make sure, I want to make sure that I put some that's still visible even if with the mask. So let's get started. By the way, this is my first time doing using liquid latex or something more gore, because I'm quite scared of blood. So the more realistic it will look, the more the chances that I will faint. So bear with me, so hopefully I'll be fine. But I think this is the most gore I can go for. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so this is the one that we're going to use. This is a liquid latex clear. It smells bad. Okay. We're going to use this instead. Okay, so bear with me. I'm probably gonna cut it in small pieces. I watched like a few videos of doing this, and I'll try to kind of like customize it on how I want mine to look. It doesn't smell good.
By the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
Okay, I want to try one first and see how it would work for me before I commit to this. This was like scarier to watch on YouTube videos, but actually isn't bad. So that looks pretty cool. Okay, so we have 1, 3 more to go. I think the main thing that affected this, makes it hard for me, is my latex is quite dry and old. So next step, guys, is to open it, and now we are going to put the foundation.
So alive, make it last forever.
We are going to use this one, guys. I just got it from dollar store.
Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight.
Okay, now I'm going to use
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
that looks pretty cool. Hey? So I'm gonna add some dimension and bring some shadowing. So I'm kind of like stippling the outside.
Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Alright, guys, so I think that's it for this SFX fake slash or cut on my face. Now is the real test. We will do a little prank on my poor little girls and see how they would react with this. So let's go. Guys, help me! Kailin, Eva! Kailin! Kailin! What happened to my face? What happened? Guys! So it looks like it's a yes from my kids' scream. So I feel bad. But it means this is pretty realistic for the kids then. So I hit my goal. Now I'm going to do my husband's werewolf makeup.